Yorobonenyo guys, ito na yung part 4 ng mga vocabulary na sinusort out ko at minimemorize ko dati nung ako nag-exam. Ang lahat ng vocabulary na ito ay galing sa book to. So, kung gusto mo makapasa sa exam, ay dapat i-memorize or at least i-familiarize mo ito. Kyoyori omgyukhada. The regulations are strict. Gyutchigol ogida. To break rules and regulations. Gyutchigol junsohada. To obey rules. Gyutchigol jikkida. To follow rules and regulations. Kuraindo yun sakke. Grinder. Gomul. Fishing net. Gullogiagi malyudwida. A contract of employment expires. Gullogiagi hejitwida. An employment contract is terminated. Guluzainal. Liberty. Gullojugun. Working conditions. Gunmushigan. Working hours. Gunmuse. Office board. Gunmuhada. To work. Gumyun. Smoking. Kupsungdok. Motsilkunggo. Warning. Highly toxic. Kopyoneo. Details of witches. Kopyomyongsiso. Pistab. Kigay Chaktung. Machine operation. Kigay Jakkob. Machine operation. Kigay Kamgida. To become cough. Kinumhada. To celebrate. Kirukhada. To record. Kiruda. To grow. Gibungop. Bispay. Gibon Junwanulhada. To refresh oneself. Gyokada. To remember. Kion. Temperature. Kioninatda. The temperature is low. Kioninryugada. The temperature goes down. Yunmaljungsan. Tax return. Yunien. Celebrities. Yunsangguloshigan. Overtime hours. Yunjangada. To extend. Yunsayuga. Annual leave. Yungsang. Above zero. Yongsujong. Recept. Yunga. Below zero. Yungwa. Movie. Yungwa view. Film actors, actresses. Yinong program. Entertainment programs. Yeminada. To be sensitive. Yeiga upda. To be rude. Yeiga itda. To be polite. Urin manne. After a while. Ori. Duck. Urida. To cut out. Ohirol pulda. To resolve a misunderstanding. Uhihada. To misunderstand. Undurol yuchihada. To maintain temperature. Weiguin Chunyong. Exclusively for foreigners. Ulida. To switch on. Omgida. To move. Wansunghada. To complete. Weiguin Tongnok Singchunghada. Application form for the alien registration card. Weiguin Tungnogolhada. To be registered as a foreign national. Weiguin Tongnokchong. Alien registration card. Weibuwen. Visitors. Witsurada. To go out.